It's another beautiful day and we're back in the shack continuing the work on our lumber rack. I'm Rick and this shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. For your sanity. This is the shack. Hey everybody, welcome. Hey, if you're new to the channel or if this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for taking some of your time out to view. Always ask that you would consider subscribing. If you do, ring the ding ding that bell down there so you are notified when these videos do come out. Give it a thumbs up, like it and share. It definitely helps the channel. We are back out in the shop. Not going to sit around the house all day depressed, bummed that we can't go out and do anything. We're utilizing this time to our advantage. We're taking care of all this stuff that's been kind of pushed aside, things that we could just deal with, like, I don't want to bother with it now, I'll deal with it. No more of that. We're taking care of it now. We have nothing but time, so yes, we are going to utilize it to our advantage and benefit from it. So we're back out in the shop. I am going to continue my wood rack. Today, I'll show you what I have on the ground and kind of explain what I want to do today. But if I don't complete it, that's fine. But I have to complete it by tomorrow, only because I think we got a chance of rain Monday. And I need to get all my wood that I have stacked in the back on the rack. Now repeat that 5 times in a row, see how that comes out. That was a mouthful, wasn't it? Let me explain kind of what I would like to get done today. As you see here, I have 4 rows, 3 of each for the arms for my wood rack. What I want to do is mount the remaining 4 supports for my rack, mount the arms to them, at least these 3 levels. So let me get the rest of the supports mounted to the wall, and then we're going to add on the legs. So what I'm doing, I am putting my level across here, getting this up and down where it's level and it's dead on. Once that's done, I put my 3 cents in, set this on here, and I level that. So I have the same slope and all. So I will continue up here, do these 3, move over, do these 3, and then continue on the other side. And we'll be back when I'm all done. Where I stand now, I have 3 shelves completed on my lumber rack. The distance between here and the next shelf is 10 inches. Top of the shelf to the bottom of the bracket is 6 inches. From the mounting bracket to the end of the shelf is 16 inches. I have 5 more of these. Actually, I got 10. I cut it 18 inches, 2 inches longer. That will be the 4th shelf. I don't know if I'm going to need a 5th, but for now I'm going to add 1 more shelf. So I'm going to go build 5 more of these. I'll mount those up. I'll be right back. As you see, the wood rack is done for the most part. I don't know if I'm going to put a 5th shelf on or not. For now, I'm fine. I can load it up and see if there is a need to go one more, but I have that capability if it arises. So for now, my next step, I'm going to yank this one down, I'm going to sand it and get it painted. Well, that's enough for this video. Just letting you see when I take this down, I paint it, comes out, looks real nice. I'm going to continue getting these off, paint them all. So tomorrow when we come back, hopefully it'll be dry, but I may run out of paint, so I may have to go down and get another small can of some yellow paint. That's it for this video. Subscribe, hit that notification bell so you are notified when my next video does come out. I'm trying to do them every day. Just so you know, I'm staying busy and my intent is for you to do the same. Just figure something out to do and do it. Don't sit around, twiddle your thumbs, vegging in front of TV. That's when your mind starts to wander and you'll have insane stuff. So keep your mind busy. Don't let it idle. Watch these, get inspired, go out and find something to do in your garage, in the house, in your shop, wherever. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back your check. For your sanity. We will see you next video. Probably tomorrow. As you see, the wood whack. Yeah, maybe if I grease up the lips, they'll move better. It's like anything else getting old, you gotta lubricate it once in a while. Keep your mind out of the gutter.